All right. So what we're gonna want to do is we're gonna come into our thing here. We're gonna go open the files. Um, I'm gonna use my Kinger audition as an example. Uh, we're going to come over here to the track, and we're gonna do Control C and then Control V. We're gonna copy the tracks essentially. Um, And for the bottom one, we're going to go to. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to change the pitch of the secondary track. So make sure you have the second track selected. And you want to go to effects or wherever your effects are. You want to add go to pitch. Where's pitch? Right here. And you wanna do like you can do as low as you want, but I like to do negative. You can either do -20 or -25. I prefer doing -25, but you're more than welcome to do -20. And then on the upper track up here at the top, you're gonna go right back to effects. You're gonna go back to change pitch. So for the first track, it'll be you can change it to like -10, and our tracks should sound like this.
Boy, we're not very good at this, are we? Jax! Jax!
And that's just an example. You can mess around with it and edit it as much as you want. Hopefully this helps. And yeah, let me know if you need anything else.